This is Singapore's iconic Satay Street, also known as Boon Tat Street by day. This street, which functions as a normal street during the day, transforms into the largest outdoor barbecue in Singapore every night at 7. It is amazing how a normal street magically closes to vehicular traffic and transforms into a bustling food street and a pedestrian-only zone. Tables and chairs are swiftly laid out, and the grills are fired up, turning the area into an open-air dining environment that specifically highlights satay among other local delicacies. But why is it called Satay Street? This is simply because the street is dedicated primarily to the sale of satay. In the evenings, a lot of vendors set up portable grills and cook satay over open flames, offering visitors a taste of authentic local cuisine. Satay is a Southeast Asian type of kebab that is made from seasoned, skewered, and barbecued meat. It is usually served with a special spiced sauce, which often contains peanuts. On Satay Street, you can choose from a variety of meats including chicken, beef, mutton, and sometimes even seafood, all marinated in a mixture of spices and grilled over an open flame. The skewers are typically served with complements like onions and rice cakes wrapped in palm leaves. In addition to satay, many stalls also offer other local dishes and refreshments. This provides visitors with a full dining experience. And the atmosphere is incredibly lively, with vendors calling out to potential customers, and the clatter of plates and chatter mixed with satay smoke creates a festive mood. Arrive early if you prefer a less crowded experience. The street can get quite packed, especially on weekends. Most vendors on Satay Street only accept cash, so make sure you have enough on hand before you go. While satay is the star of the show, don't hesitate to try other local dishes available at the adjacent Lau Pa Sat food center. Seating can be competitive, especially during peak hours. Sharing tables with strangers is not uncommon and is part of the local dining culture. Let us turn our attention to the iconic Lau Pa Sat Food Center, which is just next to Satay Street. Known for its distinctive octagonal shape and ornate Victorian design, Lau Pa Sat is not just a feast for the stomach, but also for the eyes. This food center has a rich history dating back to the 19th century. Originally built in 1824 and rebuilt in 1894, it is one of Singapore's oldest surviving market buildings. The name Lau Pa Sat translates to Old Market in the Hokkien dialect. Lau Pa Sat offers an extensive range of food choices, from traditional local dishes like satay, chicken rice, and laksa, to international cuisines such as Korean, Vietnamese, and Western foods. This diversity makes it a one-stop destination for food lovers looking to explore a broad spectrum of flavors. Situated in the central business district, Lau Pa Sat attracts a dynamic mix of locals and tourists. Lau Pa serves as a cultural hub where people from all walks of life and backgrounds come together. This convergence creates a unique cultural exchange that epitomizes the spirit of Singapore as a global city. Events and festivals are often held here, celebrating various aspects of Singaporean culture and tradition. In line with Singapore's green initiatives, Lau Pa Sat has incorporated sustainability into its operations, which adds to its appeal for environmentally conscious visitors. This includes efforts to manage waste and reduce energy consumption, making it a forward-thinking establishment in urban sustainability.